For food, the Tonkawas gathered nuts, fruits, and berries. They also hunted deer, rabbits, turtles, and even snakes. They hunted with wooden tools made to hunt with. When they gathered all the animals, they hunted, they ate some, and then they made tools out of buffalo horns. Tonkawas wore feathers on their head. They were dark-skinned, and the women wore dresses, and the men wore breechcloth. They made clothes out of buffalo skins, and the Tonkawas didn't trade at all. The Tonkawas couldn't find much food, much buffalo where they were because the Lepanapatchee pushed them out of the whole country. Now, the Lepanapatchee were a rival group. Tonkawas' beliefs were based on ancestor guardians who were mythical creatures and guarded them. They split into groups and had a specific animal that they believed in. The animal was mythical. They thought that they were wolves, and for that specific reason, they refused to farm because wolves hunt. The Tonkawa used every part of the buffalo because they were very hard to find in the region.
Starting off with customs are spiritual dances that include big dresses and a lot of dancing and twirling. They also tattooed themselves for religious reasons and other specific reasons. Also, some dances the Tonkawa did are about animals and war. There is more too. They spoke English, Tonkawan, and other religious languages. They wore leggings, shawls, plumas, belts, aprons, moccasins, chokers, medallions, necklaces, breastplates, fans, hair ties, bags, and purses. Those are some of the Tonkawa's costumes, and there is art recorded, but the songs are grouped together with dances. They did some of the dances before and after war. They would do some dances like the wolf dance to honor things or rituals.
The Tonkawa tribe lived in Central Texas, aka Central Plains, near Morton, Austin. The Tonkawa's historical territory was along the Balcom Escarpment between Austin and San Antonio. Originally, the Tonkawas had a larger territory that included the Hill Country. Within the Hill Country was Leon and Mason, Texas. Then later, they were pushed into Edward Plateau around 1750. The Comanches pushed the Tonkawas out.
The Tonkawa tribe lived in small teepees made of poles and buffalo hide or skin. Another place they lived was called a brush shelter. Eventually, the shelter became abandoned. They left it when they moved. They set fire to the middle of it to make the brush shelter. They had to use bark and little bison or buffalo skin.
Because I was just talking about my cruiser.
For leadership, the Tonkawas split into bands and chose mythical animals or very trusted men. The Tonkawas weren't a singular group. They camped out with the Karankawas and the tribes. They had a bunch of different leaders, but mainly They were mythical. The leaders were mainly mythical because the Tonkawas believed that they protected them, and that was vital to their religious beliefs.